Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can install a VPN on your Fire Stick. So it's a very simple process. Go straight to your app store and either type it in or say to Alexa, ExpressVPN. Go ahead and just download it. Of course, you can grab a subscription using the link below if you'd like to save a little bit more money. But what you need is a VPN subscription, and ExpressVPN is arguably the best. Now, I'll talk about VPNs that you could use, including Express, Nord, and Surfshark a little later on, but once you've gotten yourself a subscription, all you need to do is log in using your credentials, connect to the right country, and you're good to go from there. And one thing you need to keep in mind is that all these VPNs will only work with Fire Stick TV 2nd generation and above. This is for the Fire Stick only, and as far as Fire TV, all the versions are compatible natively with VPN. Now, let's talk a little bit more about these VPNs to help you make a more informed decision. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best 3 VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch, they're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. And that's why these are my favorite 3. But depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'll explain why. Starting with ExpressVPN, this is going to be the best one if you're looking for the best overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN. And it has the most verified no logs policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test, proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 105 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to easily access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 8 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. So ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is, and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest levels of reliability, Express is our trusty go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN, and Nord is what I consider the best value VPN. It has over 6,300 servers in 111 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help with speed and latency, especially if you use a VPN for gaming or if you want extra features such as threat protection, which blocks ads, malware-ridden websites, as well as protects your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance and will let you secure up to 10 devices per subscription. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then Nord would be the one to get. And then finally, Surfshark is our pick for the best budget VPN. And while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those two. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account. So it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. Also, you still get bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're trying to use your VPN in a restrictive country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you need a VPN that allows you to secure all of your devices, or if you have a larger family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And to help you figure out which plan you should go for, generally you want to go for the long-term plans with VPNs, and I'll explain why. So, for example, ExpressVPN gives you 3 plans to choose from. There's a month-at-a-time plan for $12.95 per month, a 6-month plan for $10 per month, or a 12-month plan for $8.32 per month. However, if you use the link in the description down below, you get 3 months free, and so the 12-month plan drops down to $6.67 per month. Now, out of curiosity, I spoke with Express, and they mentioned that a lot of people end up spending more money on monthly renewals than they would have with the yearly plan, because the typical pattern is that people renew monthly, thinking they might not need this long term. So unfortunately, they end up spending more money than they would have going with the year plan, especially with the discount code I linked below. So ultimately, if you know you're not going to need Express for longer than a month, then definitely you might want to go with the year plan. Then if you change your mind or realize you won't need it that long, you have 30 days to get a refund and go back to just a month at a time. And so to sum it up, these VPNs are definitely the best in the business. ExpressVPN is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those that are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Now, NordVPN is a well-rounded, high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money, and is ideal for those looking for bonus features that can be useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions such as strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark is truly the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessary security features that you usually get with more expensive VPNs, and as an added bonus, you get to share it around with as many of your friends and family as you like, which is a great plus. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn a little bit more about them. And of course, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, just in case you change your mind before a full commitment. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.